All right, so what I'm going to do now is expand a little bit on what we've talked about with our negative symbols, because so far we've made the distributive property pretty simple, and we've only talked about b plus c. And you multiply your a times b and multiply your a times c to get ab plus ac. Well, what happens when you have three terms? Well, if you can just kind of follow, it's going to be the exact same thing. You're just going to multiply your a times all three of those terms. So you'd have ab plus ac plus ad. So remember, our negative 1 can be rewritten as negative, our negative sign can be rewritten as a negative 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute that to all of my terms. So I have negative 1 times negative p minus negative 1 times a 2n, and then negative 1 times 3. So negative 1 times negative p, negative times negative is going to give me a positive p. Negative 1 times 2n will give me a negative 2n, and negative 1 times 3 will give me a negative 3. Okay, and there you go. That's going to be your simplified final answer. Just make sure when you have, it doesn't matter if you have 2 terms, or if you have 3 terms, or if you have 20 terms. Make sure whatever's outside by your parenthesis, you distribute using the distributive property to each one of those terms inside.